Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Enshrouded joining game failed at problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to clear Enshrouded's cache files. To do this, you just need to open up File Explorer. You just need to click on this PC. You just need to open the disk where the Steam is installed. And if you installed Steam on C drive, the Steam folder is inside the program files x86 folder guys. You just need to open the Steam, and after opening the Steam folder, you just need to open the Steam apps folder and double click on it. Double click on the shader cache and delete the folder named with 1203620. This is how Enshrouded's file was created by Steam. Right click on it and delete it. Inside this folder are Enshrouded's cache files. So deleting this folder will not harm our game guys. You just need to go back to Steam apps and double click on the temp folder. Now you just need to delete the folder with the number 1203620. Right click on it and delete it. We have cleared Enshrouded's cache files guys. The second step is to clear Steam's download cache. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Click on the Steam tab on the top and select settings. Select the downloads. On right side, you just need to scroll down, select the clear download cache, select clear cache, select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is from Enshrouded's subreddit. Someone who had this problem solved it by changing the server password. However, he paid attention to special characters, numbers and capital letters when changing the password. You can also change your server password using lowercase letters, no numbers and no special characters. This solution has worked for other people as well, so it's worth to try. If changing the server password didn't solve the problem, then let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to reset our internet. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. After finishing these three commands, close it off here. You just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to change DNS server. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Double click on the internet protocol version 4. You just need to select this, use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server you just need to type 8888. In alternative DNS server you just need to type 8844. This DNS belongs to Google and this is completely safe to use. Select OK to save changes. Select OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.